Hey there, ever wondered what makes the United States of America so unique? Well, let's take a quick journey across this fascinating country home to over 330 million people and 50 diverse states. Let's start with the basics. If you look at a world map and zoom in on North America, you'll spot the US right between Canada and Mexico, stretching from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Each state has its own personality, think sunny California, bustling New York, or the wild beauty of Alaska. Now, a quick trip back in time. The US was officially born in 1776 when 13 colonies declared independence from Britain. This sparked the American Revolution, a fight for freedom that shaped the nation's identity. In 1787, the US Constitution was signed, laying the foundation for the country's laws and government. It's the oldest written national constitution still in use today. Pretty impressive, right? So, how does the US government work? It's all about checks and balances. There are three main branches: the executive, led by the president, the legislative, made up of Congress, and the judicial, headed by the Supreme Court. Each branch can limit the other's powers. This helps keep democracy healthy and fair. And yes, every US citizen gets a say thanks to regular elections. But the US is more than just politics. People from all over the world have come here, bringing their cultures, languages, and traditions. Walk down a city street and you'll hear dozens of languages, taste foods from every continent, and see traditions from around the globe. That diversity is at the heart of what makes America, well, America. Let's not forget the icons, the Statue of Liberty, welcoming newcomers for over a century, the White House, where major decisions are made, Hollywood, where blockbuster movies are born, and the Grand Canyon, nature's breathtaking masterpiece. The US is also a powerhouse in innovation, from landing on the moon, to inventing the internet, to shaping global music, fashion, and food. Its influence touches every corner of the world. The American economy is one of the largest, and its technology giants, think Apple, Google, and Microsoft, have changed how we live and connect. So, whether you're drawn by history, culture, or opportunity, the United States is a place of constant change and possibility. One nation, many stories, and always looking ahead. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour of the USA. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe for more journeys around the world. See you next time.